Hey, it's Elaf, and today I'm going to show you how to use Caspa AI to create some cool product photos and videos of some fashion pieces. Specifically, this tracksuit, which has quite a complex design, and also these luxury leather boots. You can now add multiple input images into the platform. So for example, if you have a photo that you want to recreate or to replicate, you can upload it onto the additional product images section, which I'll show you, and you can reference it in the prompt and replicate the pose, the model, the background, whatever it is. And it comes in handy when you know exactly what you want and you have an example that you want to recreate. I'd love to hear any thoughts or feedback that you have. If you have any questions, let me know. And now I'm going to jump straight into sharing my screen and show you how it works. First, I'm going to show you how to create these photos and video of this tracksuit. Starting off, I'm going to send this tracksuit from my Assets section in the Background Remover tab to the AI Product Photos and Videos tab by clicking the green button. Next, I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, I want this exact tracksuit worn by a 25-year-old male in a modern urban setting, soft natural light, luxury streetwear campaign photography, then click Generate. It takes a few seconds to load, then an image is created. I like how this one turned out, so we'll save it by clicking the arrow on the top right, then generate another for variety. This one turned out cool too, so I'm going to download it as well. For the next image, I have an existing photo that I want to recreate. If I scroll down and click the additional product images section, then I can drag and drop the photo I want recreated. Then I'm going to type in my prompt and reference the product image number that I want in the prompt. For example, here I'm going to say this exact tracksuit worn by a 25-year-old mixed race model in the same pose as the model in product image 2, and then click Generate. I really like how this generated. The model is different like I described and the pose is exactly the same, so I'm going to save it. Finally, I want to create a video with the tracksuit, so if I click on the video toggle on top of the image component, then edit my prompt, here I wrote, confident model walking in slow motion wearing this tracksuit, clean urban backdrop, cinematic fashion commercial style, then generate. I don't really like how the first video turned out. Even though the print has generated really well, I'm going to regenerate and see what I could get. I like this video better, so I'm going to save it by clicking the arrow on the top right, which will download to my computer. Next, I'm going to show you how to create these photos and videos of these boots. Starting off by sending the boots to the AI Product Photos tab like before, then type in my prompt. Here I want these exact leather boots worn with a long flowing coat and tailored trousers, full length modest styling, dramatic editorial studio lighting, cinematic high fashion photography, close up of the boots, then click Generate. I really like how this first one turned out, so we'll save it by clicking the arrow on the right, and then I'm going to generate again for variety. This second generation messed up the boot a little, so I'm going to regenerate and save it if I like it. Now I want to create a video with the image created. So if I click the green button, the image created gets sent to the left image component. Then I can click on the video toggle on top and change the prompt. Here I want close-up of these boots, epic editorial fashion aesthetic for the boots, then generate. Video takes a bit longer to create than images, but once it's ready, I'll click play to watch. I really like how this video turned out. It's epic and editorial just like I wanted, so I'm going to save it and generate again. The second video turned out really well too, so I'm going to save it. So that's the tutorial. I hope it helps you navigate the platform yourself and get an understanding of how to use it with your own products. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.